Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to cook an egg without a stove. First, let's make microwave scrambled eggs. Crack 1 or 2 eggs into a microwave-safe bowl. Add 1 tablespoon of milk or water and season with salt and pepper. Whisk gently. Microwave on high for 30 seconds, then stir. Continue microwaving in 15-second bursts, stirring after each, until the eggs are set and fluffy, usually about 1 minute total. Next, let's try boiling eggs using a coffee maker. Place 1 to 3 eggs directly into the carafe. Fill the water reservoir with enough water to completely cover the eggs. Run the coffee maker through a full brewing cycle. Once the cycle finishes, let the eggs sit in the hot water for an additional 10 to 15 minutes for a firm, hard-boiled result. For a unique method, you can steam an egg using a clothes iron. First, wrap a single egg tightly in aluminum foil, making sure there are no gaps. Place the wrapped egg on a heat-resistant surface. Press a hot iron firmly onto the foil for about 10 minutes. Then, flip the egg and iron it for another 10 minutes to ensure it cooks evenly throughout. Finally, let's poach an egg using an electric kettle. Bring water to a rolling boil in your kettle. Carefully crack 1 egg directly into the boiling water. Allow the egg to poach for approximately 3 to 4 minutes for a perfectly soft, runny yolk. For a firmer yolk, leave it in for 5 minutes. Gently remove the cooked egg with a slotted spoon.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.